What's up, my YouTube family? I am Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and boy, have I got a doozy for you behind me. This thing is killer. You know that we love lifting these RVs, and I have an awesome Born Free behind me that we decked out front and back and suspension. So let's go jump into this thing and check it out. So there it is, guys. We went over a ton of stuff in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of custom things went into building this RV. If you have questions about building your own RV, you know, drop us an email. We would love to help you build the RV of your dreams. And the links to all these products that we used will also be down there. That's it. That's all I've got. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.